Hello, good morning. My name is Jimmy Andres Ruiz Cartagena, and I study professional technician in process administration. In this video, I'm going to talk about my classmates, their physical appearance, their feelings, and their interests. I'm going to explain some of my classmates. Juan Pablo and Angela are going to talk about what they look like, what they like to do in their free times. Juan Pablo is very intelligent person. He studies and hardworking. He is serious and contour and he chews tails. He doesn't talk alone. He loves going to a swimming pool. He likes music and going to the park. He enjoys going out with friends on the weekends. He doesn't like to get up early in the morning. He is short and average height. He is low and he has short legs. Angela is very fun person. She is intelligent and hardworking. She is sociable and likes to talk a lot. She is very friendly and she likes to help people. She is tall and elite. She has long hairs. She is blonde. She has beautiful smile. And she likes her friends. She is very polite and like going to the gym and going to the cinema. In my opinion, in general, my classmates are really hard working and their studios they are outgoing and talkative. And that's all for now. Thank you very much for your attention and your time. Have a fun day.